Hi there, this is Fernando from Activa. Today I will inform you about your Tarion New Home Warranty coverage. Your Tarion warranty is a limited warranty, so it's important to know what's covered and what falls under the homeowner's responsibilities or maintenance. Tarion covers several aspects before and during the construction process. These include number one, deposit protection. Your deposit is protected when the sale isn't completed and where you were not at fault. Tarion covers up to $40,000 for freehold single-family homes and $20,000 for condos. Second, delayed closing or occupancy protection. Your builder guarantees you a move-in date when you purchase your home. There are rules for delays. Singles can extend twice up to a max of 120 days if notified 90 days prior to closing. Multis can extend as many times as needed providing the roof is not on. Then, once the roof is on, 120 days if notified 90 days prior. You are entitled to compensation if your builder doesn't have your home ready on the predetermined date, if sufficient notice isn't given. Number 3, unauthorized substitution protection. For inclusive products, should a discontinued item occur, Activa will substitute for equal or greater quality and value. Number 4, warranty protection. Homeowners are covered up to $300,000. Your coverage begins on the closing date or possession date for condominiums. After taking possession of your home, there are multiple opportunities to submit warranty claims. These are: number 1, your 30-day coverage. You have up to 30 days after your possession date to submit a 30-day form. You can list any outstanding items not completed from your PDI list and any items you discovered in the first 30 days living in your home. At this stage, most items are covered in your home. Secondly, your 1-year warranty coverage. It covers defects in workmanship and materials used in your construction of your home. Your home must be fit to live in both from a health and safety perspective. It also protects against any Ontario Building Code violations, and it also covers against any major structural defects. Thirdly, your 2nd-year warranty. It provides coverage against any water penetration affecting your home, any defects in the electrical, plumbing, and heating distribution systems in your home, any defects in the exterior cladding such as siding and brickwork, and any major structural defects also covered on your 2nd-year warranty. Number 4, your 7-year warranty. It covers a defect that seriously threatens the structural integrity of the home or any defects that cause the home not to be used or lived in from a health and safety aspect. What is a major structural defect? It seriously threatens the structural integrity of the home. Some examples are cracks greater than 6 millimeters and show signs of any vertical or horizontal movement, shifting of your home's foundation, significant damage due to soil movement, or any failure or collapse of a structural part of your home. What is not a structural defect are minor foundation cracks that are 6 millimeters or less, any water penetration into your home, or any issues not resolved by the builder under your 1st or 2nd-year warranty claims. The construction performance guidelines are available at Tarion.com. These guidelines outline what is covered under warranty and describes the details of that coverage. Some things that are not covered under warranty are any damage caused by the homeowner due to improper maintenance of the home and any normal wear and tear. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to check out the rest of our videos on our website. Thank you for watching.